So a very warm welcome in this today's evening where we are having our English classes. Here I have little bit switched off myself from the literature part to language part, from the 10th class syllabus to the writing skill part, which is the one of the most important topic in our class. Along with that, I'm going to tell you about certain rules, norms. You all know about the format. I did not need to tell you all again and again the same things, but you can do one thing. What you can do is you can just go through the video which I'm going to show. It is of hardly of 6 minutes. Have some patience, go through the video. Those who all don't know, they can recapitulate. Those who all don't know the pattern of writing, or likewise the how to write it in the formal letter, what should be the language and all, and how many paragraphs should be there, how we are going to introduce ourselves. So these all things are there in that particular video. See that video, understand it, and then I will show you give you the questions. I hope so. My words are very clear to everyone. See, today
Yes,
the
ma'am.
participants are again less. I can see only 25 students in my class today. So very well done, because everyone knows letter writing, so they did not want to join the class. No issues, no problem. Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Priyam, everyone can listen to me clearly? Priyam can't.
Ma'am, Veeram Mendes.
अरे दर्शन मरडिया मैं मैसेज नहीं किया समझा ना.
Again started in the class.
Ma'am, he always used to scold me unnecessarily.
Please. We are not sitting in the class. I cannot see your face. Neither you can only see my face. That's all. Have some patience. Grow up, beta. All of you, please grow up. Fighting like small kids. Okay, let's move on.
Thank you, dear friend, for coming back on EME Education Made Easier, a channel just for you. If you've not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe the channel, because there's a lot more to come and each video is definitely going to be beneficial for you. Dear students, I'm back with another topic, and that is formal letter writing based on a given situation. Just like analytical paragraph writing, these letters have been introduced by CBSE in class 10th, keeping the advanced educational scenario in mind. In these letters, a situation is given in the question that has to be comprehended, and then the content has to be written. In this video, I'll not focus on the format, rather, I'll help you understand what you need to write in the body part of the letter. On reading the question, at first glance, you might feel it's quite unclear about what you have to actually explain here. So in order to remove all your doubts, let us discuss an example. Here comes the question. You have recently purchased an item from a retail store. When you returned home, you found that it did not work. You called the customer care about this problem, but did not get any satisfactory response. Write a letter to the retail manager, and in your letter, say who you are, explain your situation, say what action you want from the retail store. Here we see that the question is quite similar to that of the complaint letter, but at the same time, it is an extension of the complaint letter. Here we can see 3 bullet points given. First one is say who you are. This clearly points out that you need to introduce yourself. Second one is explain your situation. Now, what does explain your situation mean? Well, it means that you can describe the current situation you are experiencing or the problem you are facing now, how it actually happened and what the whole story behind it was. The question puts you in a situation which you can imagine as real, and then subsequently you can write it in the form of a letter. In order to keep the content simple, relate it with something which you are familiar about. For example, you might have already found a service unsatisfactory in the past, or your friend might have faced such an incident before. Then the third bullet is say what action you want from the retail store. Here you would be mentioning your request or demand to the concerned person. Okay, so here we begin with the model answer. Obviously, first you're going to write the sender's address. That's going to be your address, your house number, say it's 143. Where do you stay? It's written in the question that you stay in Vishal Market. It's already mentioned in the question. And then where is Vishal Market? It's in New Delhi. What date you're writing on? Remember, it should always be in expanded form. Date should never be written in numerical form. Then you're going to mention the shop from where you purchased the product. After that, you'll mention the subject. Your subject according to the question is dissatisfaction regarding the purchased product, and the product here I have mentioned is mobile. So thereafter, dear sir or ma'am, I am a resident of Vishal Market, New Delhi, and working as an executive in a reputed firm nearby your retail store. This is to inform you about the mobile that I bought from your retail store last Monday on 18th May 2020. I purchased the latest technology mobile of XYZ brand from your store, which was working fine at the time I purchased it. But when I reached my home, I found that it suddenly stopped working and there seemed to be a problem in the camera lens. Moreover, the touchscreen was also faulty. After I detected the problem, I immediately called the customer care at your retail store. The concerned representative refused to replace the mobile and was also not friendly enough to listen. I therefore request you to kindly interfere in the matter and help me either getting a replacement of the mobile or getting the full refund amount as soon as possible. And I also suggest you to improve your customer care dispute resolution system. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Radhika. Then your name in capital letter, Radhika Kumar, and your designation that you are a dissatisfied customer. Okay. Now, if you see, the letter is divided into 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph, you have introduced yourself. The second paragraph, you have explained about the situation you are in. Third paragraph states the request that you have made to the retail store. Let's switch over to some practice time. Here are 2 letters given to you. First one, you have got a job offer recently but cannot join on time due to some urgent work at home. So you need to write a letter to the HR of that company, and in your letter you have to mention why you're writing the letter. Then at the same time you'll be explaining your situation, and then finally
Okay. I hope so. The recapitulation was okay for y'all. It is now brushed up.
Yes, ma'am.
The things are
Yes,
very
ma'am.
clear, and you are now okay with it. And now you can start writing your letters. Right now, your question will be on the screen. It's a very simple question I am giving you all today. But why I am giving you to make you practice with the language which you all what mistake you all actually do. Clear? Tomorrow again I am repeating, children. Tomorrow we will be having a listening skill activity. But here it is just a practice session. So if you say I can provide you with a para, or else I will speak out a story or a paragraph or something, and the questions will be on the screen. You need to write down the answers. Everything has to be done in your fair copies only, so that when it is been piled up or when it is been recorded or when the PDF is been taken, so everything is, the proof is present over there that you all are going in the same pace what the 10th class has to go through. I think so. My words are very clear. Now let us move to the question.
Ma'am, we have to send the letter.
Not now, not now. Whatever you all have done till date, it's enough. I will tell you the date after 1 month, then again. But daily write down whatever I am saying. so that it is not going to be a burden next time for you next time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But do it. Huh? Again, I'm not going to give you a threatening that within 15 days you have to do it. But very soon, by tomorrow only, you will be getting your other official email IDs of other subject teachers, and they will be asking you for the same. So it is done. It is ready with you all. You can just forward it. I hope so. It is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Other subject copies are ready now.
Yes,
It will
ma'am.
be
Yes,
ready
ma'am.
for tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I have said that to Vice Principal ma'am. So she knows that class 10th is done with it. So they have to just forward it to their respected subject teacher's official mail ID. So that you will be getting your tomorrow. So be prepared.
Okay,
Huh?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now, yes. These are the two questions of formal letters. I request my lovely students to write down both the topics. This is the most simple topic, basic topic today I'm giving you all, because I know next time I will make it more harder and harder. So it's the first time we are revising. That's why this is the most easiest one I'm giving to you. All the questions you have to copy down in your fair copies, formal as well as informal. But you have to write now, you have to write it down, only formal. So for that, I'm giving you 2 minutes time to write down the questions. Then I will say start, you will start writing the essay. I'm sorry, letter.
Both of them today only.
Arey nahi na beta, it is or is given. Only one you have to write.
So anyone, okay.
अरे मैम यू आर रानी को इट्स नॉट
Arey you change the
राजा हाँ
that much common sense I think so my students have.
Divyansh, you can write Raja.
Written the questions? All of you all have written the question?
No, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
1 minute more children. Huh?
Yes, ma'am, written.
Written? Now, please mention today's date in your copy children, all of you. And most important thing is that I will be giving you exact 15 minutes to complete this. It's 4:20 now. Sharp at 4:35, I will say stop. Start writing. All have written the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone.
Yes,
Now switch on your cameras. Don't be so clever. Switch on your cameras. Now start writing. Good. The camera should be on your copies.
मैम नोटबुक में रहेगा तो हम लोग कॉपी भी कर सकते हैं।
Vardhaman, please write down. I request everyone to switch on their cameras. Take care of the format. I can see wrong format. I don't want to take the name. I can do the correction from here only. Asta, Darshan, Molly, Shreyansh, Devyansh, all of you switch on the cameras fast. Vardhaman, my words are clear or not? Shreyansh, Ayush, Gaurav, Subrat. Write down fast. Take the click and send it in our online WhatsApp group. No cheating. Ritesh has not switched on. Asta has not switched on the camera. Molly, Ayush. Children, I will not accept your papers. Priyam. I'm noting down the names. दिव्यांश भूमिका को मना करो बात करने.
Ma'am, we have to write all letters,
Mm-hmm. What
both
are the
letter.
one letter means? The question which I have given to you, that letter you have to write down, beta. All I have written the question.
Ma'am, there are 2 letters.
Huh, any one I have given you or in between.
Okay, ma'am.
Only 7 minutes are left, beta. You have to be very fast. I'm writing the names, those who have kept their cameras on. See, this is my diary and I'm writing. Five minutes left, children. Vardhaman, you switch on your camera. Ayush also, Gaurav also, Suvrat, Rishi Sancheti.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes.
Very good.
Thank you.
Take the click and send it me in my in our group, online group, class 10.
What is the deadline to submit this letter?
Today itself.
हाँ
Today,
तो आज
now.
तो हो जाएगा.
Now.
Now?
Will slap you.
अरे
What you are
यार,
doing?
रुको कर रहा हूँ करता हूँ.
Means what? Within 10 minutes.
I will submit you. I'll submit you. Yes. Okay. In 10 minutes, I'll submit.
And in tomorrow I don't have class, right? Then directly on Monday, because you are having holiday on Saturday. So what to do? I will tell you all the marks as well as the remarks on Monday. 3 minutes left, children. Two minutes.
I'm done.
Okay, that's very good.
Ma'am, where to submit?
My mobile is here only, huh? You have to send it now
Okay, ma'am.
in the group, not individually.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, ma'am.
Good enough.
Ma'am, done.
1 minute.
Ma'am, I won't be able to send you immediately.
I know. Just show it to me. At least I can see. Switch on your camera and show it to me.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Your time is over. You need to stop it. Stop, children. Nandika, please show me your letter. Where are you? Yes. Just be a little bit closer. I can't. It's becoming hazy. Wait. Okay. Fine. No issues. Okay, fine. As soon as your mom comes back, you can send it me in my WhatsApp group. Rest of the students will be sending me just after my class. Okay? Very clear?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, Akshat Kochar is not there in the group. So what should I do?
Akshat Kochar is not there in the group.
Yes, ma'am.
So you add him.
I'm not that admin.
Who is the admin?
You are only admin.
Gaurav, you are also not there. You are not literally, matlab.
Ma'am, can I give an idea?
Give.
From sometime you can make me the admin. I will add everyone. Whoever is not there.
Achha. Okay. I will give the right to everyone. They can do that part. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Chalo. Rest can send me personally also. Those who don't have, those who are not there in the group, they can send me
Yes, ma'am.
personally.
Done. Sent.
Okay. Chalo. So tomorrow we will be having, not tomorrow, on Monday then. Monday we are going to have our listening skill activity. Fine. Chalo.
Yes.
Okay, beta. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Enjoy your holiday on Saturday.
Same to you, ma'am.
Bye.
मैम what बाकी टीचर्स तो आएंगे ही ना.
Means, what do you want to say?
कि मतलब चैन थोड़ी है